I will start by creating a new skill in Advanced Designer. I will call it Checkbox Demo. And I will upload a document. Once uploaded, I can view the document. For this demonstration, I will target the checkmark located right here. Now I will click Fields, then Structure. I will create a checkmark type field and give it a name. Next, I will click on Activities, select Extraction Rules, then click on the Activity Editor. I will temporarily disable the automatically created search element and related field. Next, I'll create an element located close to my targeted checkmark. Since the string deader1 only occurs repeatedly in the document, I will search for a nearby text anchor, the string Credit Central. I'll use a static text element to do this. And I will test this element by clicking Match. I can see that my text was located correctly. I'm going to search for another text string, and I can simply copy and paste my existing static text element and make modifications to it. This static text element will be called KW deader1 only. I'll click Draw Search Area, then click on the Credit Central field and indicate that I want to find the string deader1 only that exists closest to the string Credit Central. I will click Match and use the hypothesis tree to see that I found the string deader1 only closest to the string Credit Central. Next, I will enable my original element, move it below my other two elements, and now I will convert it to an object collection element. I will disable all the types available except for checkmark. Then I will click on Draw Search Area and loosely draw an area that contains the checkmark. Advanced Designer will do more precise work momentarily. Next, I will click Match, and I'll use the hypothesis tree to see that the checkmark was precisely located by the object collection element. I'll briefly go back to the object collection types. Object collection elements are usually used to look for objects which cannot be found using other elements. You can also use this element to look for non-text objects, which we've done here by locating a checkmark. Pictures and logos can also be detected. I will wrap up by enabling my field and making sure it is properly mapped. Next, I will click on my skill name, which brings me to my pipeline where I can click Publish. Once published, I can test this skill in Vantage.